Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you for being a good mother and a father. Haamon. Salamat kay warak kabulihon ng pag-eskwela. Minulot kami ni man ka Koreanan kinabuhi pag diri tampos pag-eskwela. Bisan ang paglabada ta seminaryo kabataan pa kami. O sitiya nga rason nga nakabulig para amon parupasahe kada adlaw. Pero nagbunga man kay ubos man kami nga 5 nakatampos. Salamat hanim sakripisyo ng gugma ngem hinatag nga yana patitak pamilya labi na itak mga anak. Good health always, and I love you so much. I love you, ma.
I guess isa sa mga bagay na hindi ko makakalimutan kay mami is kasi fresh pa sa memories ko hanggang ngayon. Yung nakikita ko siyang lumalabas ng bahay, may bitbit na labada. Pag uwi ng bahay, may bitbit pa rin labada. Grabe, minsan yung mukha niya parang awang-awa ko sa kanya. Parang pagod na pagod siya, but never ever niya kami pinatigil ng pag-aaral. Lagi lang niya sinasabi sa amin na mag-aral lang kayo, makagraduate lang kayo, okay na ako, kontento na ako. Yun lang ang gusto niya talaga sa amin eh. Kahit na may mga times na gusto ko na talagang tumigil ng pag-aaral kasi pagod na ako, iniisip ko na lang mag-work na lang kaya ako para matulungan ko siya mag-earn ng pera, para matulungan ko ibang kapatid. Pero hindi, ayaw niya talaga. Kaya, mom, I'm so proud of you na hindi mo kami sinukuan kahit kailan. Hanggang sa na-achieve namin yung mga goals na akala namin hindi namin gugustuhin pero ngayon nagagamit namin sa totoong buhay. Kung may isang bagay man na gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na sa palagay ko hindi ko pa nasabi, siguro yun yung sorry. Sorry kasi dahil sa amin hindi ka na nakapag-asawa ulit. Sorry dahil sa amin hindi mo na-experience na may mag-alaga sa'yo, na may makatuwang ka sa buhay. Dahil sa pagproprotekta mo sa mga anak mo, lalo na sa aming mga babae, pinili mo kami kaya posibleng mag-isa ka. Mag-isa ka ngayon. Dahil na, lalo may kanya-kanya na kaming buhay. Kaya sorry, I really feel guilty. Kahit hindi kami nagdesisyon nun, I still feel guilty, kasalanan pa rin namin. So sana, I wish na hindi pa huling lahat. Kahit 60 years old ka na, sana makahanap ka pa rin. Di mo. Anyway, ang wish ko for your birthday is lang, sana good health lang palagi. Kasi gusto ko humaba pa yung buhay mo para mas marami pa tayong pagkakataon magkasama-sama at gumawa ng magagandang memorya. Alagaan ka pa namin, mapakita pa namin yung may paramdam pa namin yung pagmamahal namin sa'yo, malayo man o malapit. Sana masaya ka lang palagi, ma. At hindi ka magkasakit. Thank you for everything and I wish you nothing but the best in the world and mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita, mami. Many more birthdays to come. I love you.
The way she crawled us through college. Kasi there was a time that tatlo kami sabay-sabay and then I think Hannah and Hazel were in high school and grade school. So, of course, we are always grateful that we have generous titos and titas and friends na helping us with the tuitions and the like. But the real struggle is during our daily allowance kasi yun talaga yung hirap kami or si mom to come up with. What she's doing is every morning kakatok siya to our neighbors or to our friends, and then she will ask or borrow to come up with our allowance. So, minsan 50 pesos and the other one. So, iipunin niya yun for the morning para makapasok kami for that day. And then, after her work, di naman siya hihiram and then papasa lang yun. Minsan nababayaran, minsan hindi. So, that keeps on going for several years until finally, all of us 5 graduated to college. So, that particular thing, I'm proud not because we have to struggle, but I'm proud because she didn't have, or she didn't show us that she's giving up. Um, she had the right, she had all the rights in the world to actually ask us to work na and to stop our studies, but no, she didn't. Want to say that thank you for being strong with us, thank you for being humble, even if most of the time people around us are criticizing you, criticizing our circumstances, pero hindi tayo nagpatinag. So thank you, and I wish that you keep your peace, and then eat healthy, be healthy, and live longer so that you can continue to guide us on how to raise our kids the way you raise us. Happy birthday, and I love you.
Naalala ko ang kinarawat ko na akong diploma stage. Tapos, tutuloy ko himamihang crowd, di ko hiya mahanap. Kasi freshman talaga, permi. And then, ang photographer, tinawag, kasi wala ko kulaw. Tapos naman, sabi naman is, smile. Tapos, sabi ko naman, Ma, you did it. Holding diploma. Sabi ko, Ma, you did it. At that time, I was more proud of you than I was for myself. Kasi Ma, napagtapos aknim. Napagtapos nim kaming lahat. Lalo na hanapan Hazel na natapos. I was like, she was on stage and I was so teary-eyed and naghuhulag ita hayagawas. I was so proud. Kasi, you did it, Ma. Napagtampos nim kami nga tanan. Lilima kami nga magburugtong. Ngayon nga tanan kami nakatampos. We couldn't thank you enough. Pero salamat, Mami. Salamat, hindako. Kasi, wala kami na kunahain kami if it weren't for you. If it weren't for your sacrifices at iyong pagmamahal. Lahat-lahat na gibuhat din para haamon. And salamat, Mami. Thank you so much. I love you, Mami. I love you so much.
Hi, Mommy. So, one of the unforgettable moment for me. Ang time na graduate ako. Kasi, parang ang pinaka na improve ni Mami na in spite na single mom lahiya, pinatunayan niya na kaya niya magusaan. I-fulfilled niya ang pagiging enrolled, pagiging nanay, hintatay, haaman na lilima na magpurugto. Parang patunay na niya na finally napatampos ko bisan magusaan na napatampos ko na mga anak. Hindi lang nga na lima niya na patampos 7 actually. Kaya and the way how she boosted di makakilala, makikita nila happy hiya. Kaya bisan man dere man hiya perfecto na nanay, ora man perfecto. Dami tiya flaws. Gintry lagi niya tiya best na matampos kami. Kaya, thank you. Thank you kasi direct ka nag-iba pahamon. And, yan na birthday name. I just want to say, happy birthday. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your hardship. being there kung kailangan namon. Bisan piranitam edad. May dana kanya-kanyang pamilitak mga bugto. Ada ka lagi hap. Kaya, I just want to wish you good health and soon matatapos din natin ito yung balay. Slowly kasi nag-i-start pa man lang pero mabuli lang. Yan lang. Happy birthday, Anayla.